A simple string of beads is currently making some massive promises to every woman navigating the heat and the haze of menopause. I spent my entire weekend falling down a rabbit hole because this specific bracelet kept haunting my social media feed. It looks like a standard piece of jewelry. It features these pretty natural gemstones like blue chalcedony and moonstone. But the marketing claims go way beyond just looking good on your wrist. They talk about mineral science. They suggest that these stones can actually regulate your internal temperature or stabilize your mood. I looked into the materials first. To be fair, you are getting real stones here. It is not cheap plastic or dyed glass. You pay your $40 and you get actual amethyst and lepidolite. People seem happy on review sites too. Their ratings are solid. But then we have to look at the actual science behind those big promises. The company claims the lepidolite works because it contains lithium. Now, lithium is a real medical treatment for mood. But wearing a rock on your skin is not the same as taking a prescription. That lithium isn't just jumping from the stone into your bloodstream. It stays locked inside the crystal structure. Then there is the claim about blue chalcedony absorbing heat during a hot flash. If a stone could actually pull that much heat from your body, it would have to be freezing cold or massive. It just does not work like a heat sink for your biology. I found zero clinical studies to back any of this up. No peer-reviewed research exists for this specific product. No medical body has given it a stamp of approval. So why is this everywhere right now? The timing is incredibly calculated. Not long ago, the authorities changed how they talk about actual hormone therapy. They removed some of the scariest warnings. This opened up a massive new market for menopause wellness. Suddenly, everyone is selling a solution. Some of these solutions are backed by decades of research. Others are just pretty bracelets with a clever story. I saw testimonials from people with very specific, almost cinematic lives. A commercial pilot here, a beekeeper there. They all tell these perfectly polished stories of transformation. It feels a bit too convenient. It feels like marketing copy written to pull at your heartstrings. We are seeing a flood of unproven products targeting women who have been told for years that traditional medicine was dangerous or scary. Now that the conversation is finally opening up, the door is also open for hype. If you want to wear this because it is beautiful, go for it. It is a lovely accessory. If it serves as a physical reminder to take a deep breath, that has value. But we have to be careful when a product tries to cross the line into medical territory without the data to prove it. You deserve real relief. You deserve evidence. A bracelet should be a choice, not a replacement for a conversation with a doctor. The truth behind the trend is always more complicated than the ads make it seem. It is about catching a wave of a growing market. It is about selling a feeling of control during a time of life that can feel very chaotic. Just make sure you know exactly what you are buying before you click that checkout button. There is a psychological comfort in holding something beautiful when you feel like your body is betraying you. I get that. But let us be honest about what we are holding. A stone is a stone. It is not a miracle worker. It is a piece of the earth you can wear on your wrist. If you go into the purchase with that mindset, you will not be disappointed. But if you are looking for a cure-all, you might want to keep your wallet closed for a bit longer. The wellness industry knows exactly how to package hope into a pretty box. It is our job to look inside that box and see if the contents actually match the label. Your health is worth more than a catchy social media ad. Always ask for the data. Always look for the proof. You are worth the real thing.